Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can scalp gold and the foreign exchange currency pairs on the smaller time frames. But before we go to the smaller time frames, we are just going to take a look at what has happened on the daily time frames and the 4-hour time frames. Okay, so I'll be starting with gold XAUUSD on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I can see that the price of gold, we have a double top on the daily time frame. There's the first top and this is the second top on the daily time frame, and the price of gold, has been sliding for some couple of weeks. And but what we have is a descending trend line. We have this descending trend line on the daily time frame. We also have this neckline level on the daily time frame that was broken initially, retested, and then we have a break to the downside to the we have a break to the low, the 1932 low. But what we can observe on the daily time frame currently is the fact that price of gold is currently broken the descending trend line, and this is a possible retracement or reversal move. Looking at yesterday's candle, we can see that yesterday's candle is an engulfing candle on the daily time frame. Okay, this particular candlestick is engulfing this small candlestick, and we can see that today's high is higher than yesterday's high, so that's a clear indication that price might retrace to some extent. We're looking at retracement first to the 1975 level before price might likely trace to the 1984 level. Okay, that's that for the daily time frame. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. We can see that on the 4-hour time frame we have something like a double bottom on the 4-hour time frame. This is our first bottom, and this is the second bottom on the 4-hour time frame. All right, so for the 4-hour time frame we have a neckline. This is our neckline, and that has been broken. We have a break of this particular neckline, and we also have like a break of the descending trend line, more like a break of a trend line and descending trend line at this particular confluence. We have a confluence of the trend line and the neckline. Okay, price broken it. We can see a retest of the two lines, and we can see price trying to make a high. This is a high. There's a higher high. This particular high is higher than this high, and we have a break of structure to the upside. So on the 4-hour time frame, we're looking at possible price move up to the, let's see how price could move. Price could move up to let's see, we could see a movement up to the 1977 level. All right, for gold. So you might want to look for buying opportunities for gold. Looking at the 1-hour time frame, we can see that we price have this particular low. We already have this low, and this low is lower than this low. It's more like a liquidity grab. And this particular level, we can see this high higher than this level, more like a liquidity grab, where initially the buyer stop losses were here, and this was grabbed around here. Seller stop losses were here, and this was also grabbed around here. We can see a retest, and the price broke this particular high where the sellers had their stop losses. You can see a move to this low, to this higher low. This low is higher than this low, and we can see price forming a higher high. So that's the 1-hour time frame. Looking at the ascending trend line on the 1-hour time frame, you can see that price of gold is trying to respect this ascending trend line. So we might see an up move in the price of gold. So you might want to consider buying gold for now. On the 30-minute time frame, we can see that the price of gold is bullish, where price of gold is registering higher highs, higher low. This low is higher than this low, and this particular low is higher than this low. So that's a bullish structure, the formation of a bullish structure, where this particular structure, this structure around here is broken, and we also have another structure here this particular structure is being broken. Price is trying to print higher highs for the bullish trend to continue. Looking at the 15 minutes time frame, what do we have on the 15 minutes time frame? Price of gold on the 15 minutes time frame, we can see that the price is also moving up. The bulls, the buyers are in charge. They're trying to push price of gold up for now, so you might want to consider buying gold. But if price of gold is to drop, we have some level of support. This particular order block might be our support. The price could possibly drop to this order block and find some level of support before price moves up higher. So that's that for the 15 minutes time frame. Is bullish. If price is going to drop to that particular support, I'm talking about the 1954 support, price needs to break this ascending trend line first. Price needs to break this ascending trend line first. Price needs to break below the 19 price needs to break below the 1958 level first before it gets to the 1954. So that's that for gold on the 15 minutes time frame. On the 5 minutes time frame, we can see a form of double top forming on the 5 minutes time frame, and that's an indication that the sellers are trying to step in. Look at this double top forming on the 5 minutes time frame, but we have this ascending trend line. Sellers needs to push price below this ascending trend line before you can have a confirmation to join the sellers of the BS. Price needs to go below the 1959 level for you to join the ascending trend line. Apart from that, for you to join the sellers, apart from that ascending trend line, we have on the 5 minute time frame, we have this support, this order block serving as a support around here. Talking about the 1958 level, and we might have some level of support around there. Price could drop to that level and then find some support before going up. Okay, so that's that for 5 minutes time frame for gold. On the 1 minute time frame, what do we have on the 1 minute time frame? On the 1 minute time frame, we can see that the price of gold, the sellers are trying to step in. Sellers are trying to step in, but sellers of the bears needs to break this level because of this order block. We have this particular order block. I'm talking about this order block that might serve as support. The order block is in confluence with this ascending trend line, so the price needs to break below the 1959 level for you to jump in on the sell. But if that level holds, price might go up, and as price goes up, we also have another order block on the 1 minute time frame. This particular order block, this resistance level, I'm talking about the 1964 level, that could serve as resistance to price. So for now, on the 1 minute time frame, the price of gold is currently ranging. You might want to wait for a range breakout, either to the top above the 19. We're looking at the 1964 level as a range top and the 1959 level as a range bottom. So that's that for gold. Gold is ranging, but the overall direction for now is bullish. All right, bullish on the 1 hour time frame, okay, and bearish on the daily time frame. All right, so that's that for gold. Let's look at gbpusd. The price of gbpusd, looking at the trend line, we can see that the price has broken the ascending trend line and the price is somehow retracing. But in as much as the price is retracing on the daily time frame, we can see this descending trend line being broken. It was broken yesterday. We're looking at this particular candlestick, this daily candlestick, but what we have today is more like a retracement of yesterday's daily candlestick, and this retracement might likely turn to a reversal if price drops below yesterday's low. If price drops below yesterday's low, we might be looking at a reversal and the continuation of this particular bearish trend. But on the 4-hour time frame, what we have on the 4-hour time frame is price is forming a double top. This is our first stop, which is a possible bearish retracement pattern. This is our second top. Okay, price has broken the neckline. If we take a look at the 1-hour time frame, on the 1-hour time frame, we can see clearly the double top. This is the second top. This is the first top. That's first top for price. So price is forming a double top, which is a possible retracement move pattern. And the neckline has obviously been broken. This is the neckline. It has been broken, and price is trying to drop to this order block. We have this order block on the 1 minute or 1 hour time frame. This particular order block, which is our support. Price might likely find support at that level for price to continue to go up. But if this order block fails, then we might be having a complete reversal of price. So looking at the 30-minute time frame, what we have, price is reacting to the double top, and we are seeing more like a third top at this particular point. Price is having a top. Look at this top here, like a triple top, and price is reacting downwards because of the 3 tops. Okay, we have a break of the neckline, and we can see price trying to drop to this order block. We have order block within an order block. We have support within a support. This is the order block on the 30-minute time frame. It's within the order block on the 1 hour time frame, and price is dropping. Price of gbpusd is dropping for now. Price of gbpusd is dropping for now on the 30-minute time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, we can see the triple top, indicating that price is dropping, but we have this order block around here that might possibly hold price. I'm talking about the let's look at the order block. Let's look at the supports that might hold price. This particular support might hold price. That will be 1.2366 level. Okay, price finds support at this level. Price might break the current descending trend line. This is our descending trend line for the GBPUSD. All right, so on the 5-minute time frame is bearish. Price is bearish, and you can see we have a high, we have a low, lower high. We can see a lower low. So price is bearish for now. Price needs to break this descending trend line for price to show some bullish move. So still on the 1-minute time frame, price is bearish as the structure has been broken. I'm talking about the 1.23795 structure broken. Also the 1.23742 structure is broken. So that's that for GBPUSD. Let's take a look at EURUSD. For EURUSD on the daily time frame, you can see that the bearish trend still continues on the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see that price continues to break structure to the downside. This structure here, you can see this low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. We are experiencing a break of this structure currently for the 4-hour time frame for EURUSD, and the price of EURUSD is dropping. All right, so all the 1 hour time frame, you can see double top, and you can see this is the first top. It's our first top for EURUSD. This is the second top for EURUSD. This is the second top. All right, and look at the neckline break. Okay, the neckline broken and price starts to go down. So the next level for price is 1.067 level. A break below that level will be a break of structure to the downside on the 1 hour time frame, and price might continue to go down. Look at bears are in charge on the 30-minute time frame, and if you want to trade EURUSD, look for selling opportunities. Price of euro USD is currently dropping. On the 5 minutes time frame is dropping, and same on the 1 minute time frame is dropping. As the bears are in charge, the bears are in control. Let's take a look at USD JPY on the daily time frame. USD JPY on the daily time frame. What I can see on the daily time frame is an evening star pattern. An evening star pattern is a retracement pattern or a reversal pattern for the bears. Okay, more like the bears are stepping in and might retrace or reverse price. Now, if price is going to drop, we have this other block at on the daily time frame around here. There might be a support to price. On the 4-hour time frame, what we can see is price is forming this particular descending trend line. Well, you can see that the trend line is currently being respected as price dropped to this level. I'm talking about the most recent level, which is the 139.3 level. Price dropped to that level. Okay, on the 1-hour time frame, we can see price drop. Okay, as price continues to, this is a high, this is a low, lower high, lower low. We have this higher high and this lower low, lower high. Okay, and we have a lower low. So we have more of lower lows, lower highs. Okay, that's a bearish structure. All right, now a break above this descending trend line might be a caution to price breaks above this descending trend line. That might be a caution to the bears or to the sellers. All right, so if price breaks above this trend line, that might mean price has found support, and a break above this level might signal a retracement or reversal of price. Okay, on the 30 minutes time frame, we can see that the bears are still in charge, although what we have here is more like price reaction, okay, to a particular support on the 30 minute time frame. We are looking at this particular order block. Okay, price is reacting to this very order block. Think about this order block here. Price is trying to find a support around here. So a break above this level, a break above the 139.9 level might signal a bullish price move. Okay, on the 15 minutes time frame, you can see that price is still bearish as price continues to form low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. There's a high, there's a low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, there's a lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. Okay, so that's typical of a bearish structure. But we can see on 15 minutes time frame a double bottom. Okay, as price tries to push up, buyers are trying to push up, but let's see, this is the first bottom and this is the second bottom. Okay, all right, buyers are trying to push up. This is the break of the neck. We have the neckline around here and that has been broken, and price is still trying to push to the upside. Right, so we have this resistance, this descending trend line will serve as resistance, and we also have this other block on the 15 minutes time frame. It may serve as resistance to price. Okay, a confluence of the descending trend line and the other block might serve as a resistance to price. All right, so on the 5 minutes time frame, what do we have? You can see more like a triple bottom. Okay, this is the first bottom, this is the second bottom, right, and this is the third bottom. And look at the neckline has been broken. We have a break of the neckline, a break here, a retest, then price is going up, but we have this descending trend line that must serve as resistance to price. Okay, price could get to this trend line and drop. Okay, or price could get to this other block. There's another block. Look at this other block within an other block. Look about this other block, this very other block. Okay, within the 50 is another block on the 5 minutes time frame, and it's within the other block on the 15 minutes time frame. So the price can get to that point and drop. Okay, but if price is going to drop, either way, we have this other block around here that could serve as support price. Okay, this other block could serve as support price. But on the 1 minute time frame, what we have, you can see that the bulls are trying to step in. The bulls are trying to push price up. We can see that the bulls are trying to push price up on the 15 minute time frame, but we have this descending trend line, this current descending trend line. Okay, that might serve as resistance to price. A break above this trend line. All right, a break above this trend line could signal price might push up to the next order block. We have this order block on the 1 minute time frame, this particular order block, which might serve as resistance to price. I'm talking about this very order block. Just a minute. Talking about this very order block might serve as resistance to price. Okay, I'm talking about the 139.7 level. Price gets to that level, we might see a drop. Okay, but looking at the ascending trend line, look at this ascending trend line that will serve as support. Apart from that ascending trend line, we have other blocks lined up below price. Okay, the first the closest order block is this this particular order block. I serve as support to price. We also have another this big order block here. I also serve as support to price. Okay, so that's that for USDJPY. Is the overall direction is bearish, but the price is trying to recover as we continue to see like a triple bottom or inverted head and shoulder. Right, it's trying to recover, but the overall direction is bearish. So you might want to look for selling opportunities as the sellers jump into the market. So that's that for today's video. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, what are you waiting for? Why don't you click the subscribe button? If you like the video, smash the like button. You can drop comment below the video, ask question. We try as much as possible to respond to your question. You can smash the bell button below the video for notification. You can also go to our website www.beanfxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade gold and foreign exchange currency pairs. You can also go to another website of ours, fxfables.com, to learn more on how to trade. Till I come your way tomorrow, it's bye for now.